Hey, this is Jason Moss, the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. I tell you, we're just coming off the summit. We had a fantastic summit at the Cobb Galleria on October the 9th. Last Wednesday. It was a phenomenal event. We had almost 800 in attendance, had great keynote speakers, and had educational sessions throughout the day that impacted every division of a manufacturing company. So I'd like to thank all of the people who participated in the summit, all of the exhibitors, all of the speakers and educators that were there throughout the day. Our volunteer team and our chapter directors really made it a huge success. So thank you all if you participated in the summit. If you weren't at the summit, I'd encourage you to make plans to attend next year. It'll be September the 15th. So you can go online right now and register at Georgia Manufacturing Summit. Yeah, we're already getting prepared for the event. It's going to be a great event, I promise you that. There are three quick things that I'd like to get covered for you today on this video. First is down below this video, there's a link to a survey. We'd really encourage you to take the survey. Even if you didn't attend the summit, we'd like to get a feel from you about what your feedback was from the communication that we had about the summit. Of course, if you attended the summit, we want to get feedback on the educational sessions and your general feedback throughout the day. So really help us out, make 2020 an even better event. So help us take that survey. It only takes a couple minutes. Number two, we'd like you to, if you're not a member of the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, we'd like to extend an invitation for you to join our organization. A couple reasons. One is you get a great discount on upcoming events, and also you'll have your company listed in the Amazon best-selling Georgia Manufacturing Directory. That directory will be coming out in January, so we want to make sure that you get in and get registered before that deadline. And number three, register for upcoming events. We've got a ton of upcoming events throughout the end of the year. We've got 3 events that'll be going on in the month of October as we wrap this month up, and November looks really good. So take a look at our schedule at Georgia